Make a great choice today with the 2010 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.